tell them all, I trade them all for you. I might sound